In this video, we'll illustrate how to export data from Multisim Live into Excel to process them further. So we already have a schematic with voltage probe and current probe placed already and labeled properly. We're going to run now DC sweep on VN. We'll click run. You can adjust the settings of the graph as you wish. So you can change the starting value, but make sure you do it under the document tab. So the starting value of VN, the ending value, and the increment value. And then click run to update the results. Once you run DC sweep, you can click on export, the button right here, and choose graph or data. This will export the data in your graph into an Excel sheet. So you can open it first. And then the first column is the x-axis, which is VN, which we're not interested in for the purpose of this lab currently. I mean, the graph that we want to plot. The second column here is actually V out as labeled here. So we'll remove all of this and just type V out in volts. This is also the x-axis again, because we have two graphs. Since we don't need it, I'm going to delete it. So select the entire column, press delete on the keyboard. The second column here is IZ as written. So I'm going to relabel it as IZ in amps. I'm going to cut this column, paste it right next to V out. So this way, V out is going to be my new x-axis and IZ will be the y-axis. I'm going to now select both columns and click insert and then choose scatter graph, choose the continuous one. We have obtained our graph now. I will just need to relabel the title as IZ in amps versus the voltage across the diode, which is V out in volts. Now we can easily check the value of VZ, or the breakdown voltage, from the graph, and that is the value at which current starts to flow, which is around 3.3 volts according to this graph. So this is how to export data from Multisim Live to process them further.